Hey there everyone, welcome back in React.js to do a video tutorial series. My name is Azislim. In this tutorial we are going to create our to-do component where we show our data here in our page. So let's start. Create a new component and the component name is todo.js. I'm generating here a functional component. So first I'm going to import todo and as well I'm going to use here this to the component. It's showing nothing because we didn't have anything. If I type here hello, it's giving us here hello because we pass our component there. So first of all, create a grid. So actually I'm install a app Material UI. I will use this one from here instead of go browser and check from there. Go to grid and you can download and install this app in your system. Actually it's also a browser providing by Material UI. I'm going to take all the bunch of information which is available here and put it after that. Paper and grid is here. Pass use style to classes constant and after. Okay, next step, take a grid and paper both. Now this time we are going to use paper. Make it indentation, that's coming okay. In extra small, say 8 or 10 and small as well 10, medium so 6, large as well 6, and justify center. Come on, it's loading. It's not working. Grid is not exported. Okay, we close here. Let's make it go back. Save. It's okay. Now again take our class and put here. First I'm going to take grid again, see what happened here. Close grid and about classes, definitely first we take it from here, the store classes, this use style in our classes, and here save. Now everything is okay and perfect, it's coming. Instead of 12, let's make it indentation. It's okay. extra small 10, save. That's okay. And grid, make it justify center, and the next step in small as well, 10, and medium and large, make it 6. Okay, perfect. Next step, we have to put here the list of our to-dos here inside the paper. So just go and search here in Material UI list, and we are going to use this list with icon, and definitely at the end it will be available. Avatar with text and icon. Okay, that's what we need. Just copy and paste inside the paper. And next step, we have to import list item and other. Let's make it indentation, or I'll make it correct after import from Material UI. I'm going to copy all, and then I will delete from here. List item, okay. Then avatar is okay. Secondary action and form group. We don't need this form group and checkbox as well. Just one more thing I will import here, icon edit. Just go to icons and edit outline. I'm using this outline, edit icon, just import it here, and the Material UI components which is not used will delete after complete this. And in list item, we don't need this secondary, only primary we need here. All these I'm going to delete. Item icon, form group, and form group control, and edit icon we need here. Edit and take this edit icon and put here instead of delete and just save. If I go to here in my browser, you can see here we have this to-do component which we import and create this now, and we have two icons as well here, and our to-do which is inside of list item text. Here we can pass also the secondary, and the line is coming down here. First I'm going to delete list item icon and form group control label as well, and save. Everything is okay. Now make a format over code. let's just here going to close. Now everything is fine, and let's pass this value from our app.js in the value, this value. Here I'm going to pass to do, then the value. If I save, and now we have to catch the value here by using props. Pass here props dot to do. To do, which we use here, this one. Now it's coming here correctly. If I keep it true, and right here second to do, save, that's coming second to do also here. So this is the designing part which we done. In next tutorial we'll create our to do, and that to do will be stored or saved in our Firebase.